Having been involved in manufacturing and additive manufacturing for over 25 years, I spent a lot of time looking into powder production. And we looked at the issues surrounding the economics, and that was primarily the area that we were going after. So once we did a paper study on what we needed to achieve, we then went off and solved the technical challenges around that.
So why look to invest in emerging technology? Well, technology is moving so fast that if you don't invest in the right areas, you'll get left behind. And also, why not be part of the fourth industrial revolution? And what better way than to enhance the processes around 3D printing?
I've worked in process development for many years, both in additive manufacturing and other technologies. So it's been really helpful to be able to draw both on the background of process development as well as understanding as a customer and operator of additive manufacturing equipment, to understand exactly what's critical to performance and make sure that when we're developing a new production process, we can really focus on requirements rather than legacy paths by which powder was produced.
Our approach with Metal Powder Works mimicked what Chris and I had experience with at Skunk Works when we both worked there. In that environment, you're constantly working on things that have almost by definition never been done before, and in an area that you may not have profound experience with. It's just in this instance, both Chris and I had a lot of experience in this area of additive manufacturing and metal powders, and all of it was applicable.
So as with most process development, I think you anticipate a certain amount of difficulty. We've been pleasantly surprised that our solution really has kind of matched our predictive calculations from the start.
Chris has without doubt been exceeding all of the technical goals that John has been setting. And so essentially what we've done is we fast-tracked the development of this new technology and what would otherwise have taken much longer within a large corporation.
So moving forward, I think one of the biggest contributions that we think we can make to the industry is opening up a variety of new material systems that to date just haven't really been economical for powder manufacturers to address.
This technology is revolutionary. We're driving costs down and enhancing high quality yield output. We're expanding into a greater pool of materials. We've solved supply chain restrictions, which is even more relevant now should we experience future worldwide crises, and it's a sustainable solution. High quality powder that can be produced on demand, on site, and fed into a 3D printer and reduces carbon footprint.
Einstein said that if he had an hour to save the world, he would spend 55 minutes on what the problem was and 5 minutes on the solution. It's just that we spent 25 years on the problem and 3 years on the solution.